This video will discuss some of the new features that have been added to VisualPlate 6. Let's get started. In VisualPlate version 6, the mesh can now be refined at load points and point supports to obtain more accurate models with fewer plate elements and shorter analysis times than was possible in previous versions of the program. The finite element method used by VisualPlate is approximate, and the accuracy of the solution depends on how fine the mesh is in the model. Therefore, it is important to refine the mesh until the model converges to ensure that the results of interest are accurate. Since this feature is similar to the one added to Visual Foundation 11, see the Visual Foundation Mesh Refinement training video for more information. In VisualPlate version 6, the plate result diagram has been overhauled. You can access the diagram by right-clicking in the Analysis view, or you can click and drag a slice through the boundary to view the results in the slice direction and location. In the plate result diagram, you can choose the number of plots and which plots you want to view. Furthermore, you can modify the slice direction and the coordinate location if you want to view results in the other direction or at a different location. One nice feature is that the chart settings persist. This allows you to exit the dialog box and make an adjustment to the model, or select a different result case and pick back up right where you left off. VisualPlate now ensures that area loads are properly modeled before starting the finite element analysis. For example, a ring or tubular load with a thickness that is small relative to the size of the mesh plates may lead to a significant portion of the load not being generated. When this occurs, the analysis fails and an error message appears in the tooltip. Note, it is important to always refine the mesh and review and verify the analysis results of your model. Line stiffener loads have been updated in VisualPlate version 6. Now, when changing the enter results parameter, the total magnitude of the load remains constant. For example, if we have a 5-foot long line stiffener with a 0.1 kip per foot uniform load, setting enter results equal to yes, we see the value changes from 0.1 kips per foot to 0.5 kips. In VisualPlate 6, the columns in the Load Case Manager now retain their size and order. This eliminates the need to readjust the columns in the Load Case Manager every time it is closed and reopened. Furthermore, the size of the Load Case Manager dialog box is now maintained. The functionality of the drawing grids in VisualPlate 6 has been improved, and the names of the drawing grids have been simplified. In the Report view, a feature has been added to help you filter table extremes. This is the same feature that was added to Visual Analysis 19 and is therefore covered in the Table Extremes training video for visual analysis. The justification for columns in a report table can now be modified. Simply right-click on the column and set the justification for that column to left, center, or right. In addition to adding new features to VisualPlate 6, other minor changes and fixes have been made, along with improvements to the help file, which is accessed by clicking the button in the ribbon. We hope you enjoy the new features of VisualPlate 6. Thanks for watching and have a great day.